Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today is Sunday, December the 27th. We're going to take and go get some compost and plant some onions. Yeah, I know it's December. So anyway, let me take you along for the journey. Yep, not too bad out here today. Got my Christmas lights down. Tried to take them down day after Christmas. But anyway, let me put you on pause here for just a second. Alright, let me get in my compost bin here. Here, and that's going to block your view. Okay. Alright. Let me show you something here. Look at that. You see that? Compost. This year's compost. Nice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get me some of this compost. Alrighty. Sorry about wiggling around. Won't take much. That right there should be enough. Cover this back over. Let me set you back up over here. Alrighty. There you are. Won't cover this up. This old piece of carpet here keeps the rain out of it a little bit. Keeps it from freezing solid. Put my sifter back up. Alrighty. Now, let's go back in the greenhouse here. Plant some onions. Now in the spring of the year, and we'll have to just lay it down here. Open this up here. Okay. Now then. Here we go. Let me show you something. Look right there. Now I've just planted these, but the ground's a little bit frozen right here. Let me show you something else. Now, maybe you can see. You see that? Yeah, you see that. Now this right here, this was onions that I growed last year. You can see the size of them right there. But they sprouted on me, and I said, well, let's see what it does. See if it makes some green onions to eat. Got me some radishes here. Alrighty, let me put you right here. Maybe. Sorry about being wiggly here. Still trying to figure this out. Alright. See me? Yeah, there you are. What I'm going to do, wow. I love this. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? That is a worm egg. Yes. Love my worms. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this compost. Since my container is frozen a little bit, I'll take this compost and put it around my onions. That's what I'm going to do. Wow, that's a lot of worm eggs in this. Alright. Now, let me show you something else here. Let's see. You see that? I'm fixing to put them out. Fixing to put them over here. I am. Now, I'm going to tell you, my compost has weed seeds. Yeah, it's got weed seeds. A lot of people said, well, you know, all you're doing is spreading weeds. Maybe so. Maybe so. But here's something to think about. A ground or compost that doesn't have weed seeds means that it has went through a process that has killed the weed seeds. Now, I'm no expert, don't claim to be, but here's one thing I know. If your soil won't grow weeds, it won't grow anything. Now, I would love for my compost to be weed free. I would, but we're gonna just take and see about this. So let me put some. I'm just gonna stick that right there. Just take a big old onion, stick him right there. Stick him right there. I don't know if you can see this or not. Maybe. Right there. Right there. Now that's all I'm gonna put out for right now. Anyway, and I'm gonna put some compost around it a little bit. But anyway, thanks for watching the Rockwell Mountain Gardener. It's a short video. Just I love to do experiments, so we'll see how this works out. You have a blessed day. Be safe and happy gardening.